Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone 17 models is having an issue with screen zoomed in stuck on lock screen over here like this. And if you're facing this is what you have to do. All we have to do is just go over here, just use your 3 fingers and you have to tap it twice over here like this so that you'll exit from the zoom over here like this. And if you wanted to bring it back, all we have to do is just use your 3 fingers once again and you have to tap it twice. Now if you do this, you are in the zoom mode, and also if you wanted to navigate, you have to just use 3 fingers, press and hold like this, and you can just navigate slowly. If you wanted to move it alongside, if you have any kind of reasons, you can move this kind of things and you can just do it. So the solution is all about you have to use the 3 fingers, tap it twice so that you will exit from the zoom and you're over here like this, and you can use the passcode and you can check. Most probably that's going to help you guys out. So guys, if you wanted to turn off the zoom feature or if you wanted to prevent it from happening in the future, this is what you have to do. All we have to do is just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the accessibility. From here you have to tap on zoom, and what you need to, there is an option called zoom, you have to toggle it off. Now as you can see, it will be completely done and this will not be happening in the future, and this is what you have to do when it comes to this issue. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.